Mr. Taylor back with you with Rockin' Math, and this is the very last two-step equation that we put up. But I won't definitely think that this is really important, because as you can see, when it comes to your actual test, you're going to have to be able to utilize expressions when you solve problems that's dealing with perimeters and maybe even area. But anyway, let's take a look at what problem 7 says. The perimeter of a rectangle is 15 inches. The length of the rectangle is 3 inches longer than its width. So what is the length and width of this rectangle if the width is represented by x? So here's what we have to think about. Okay, and let's try a different color. We have to think about our width. And width, we say, or they say, is x. And so let's just circle this part and this part. Also, we could use that as height. And then length. It says that the actual length is 3 inches longer. So without even knowing, we know that that's going to be x plus 3. We'll double circle that to let you know that we're talking about the length. Now, what we want to do now is think about what is the formula for the perimeter. And the perimeter's formula is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay? So, let's see, can we go to work and figure out what in the world are they asking us to do. So, if my length is x plus 3, so it seemed like to me I will have perimeter, it says 15 is equal to x plus 3, 2 of them, plus x plus 3 plus x plus x. Will you please understand that we could have rewritten this as well as 2 times x plus 3 plus 2 times x. We could have done that. And of course we could have used distributive property, and we would have gotten 2x plus 6 plus 2x. So we could have easily done that, but I want to show you how we can add our like terms. So what we have is a lot of x's. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So 15 is going to equal to 4x, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we have to think about solving this, and how can we solve it? 4x is being added to 6, so literally we can subtract 6 from both sides. Now what we have over here is 9, and over here is 4x. That makes sense to you. One step equation now, and all we got to do is divide by 4. How did we do that? Let's see. I'm going to try and reset. So just give me a minute, and we'll try and... No, it's not going to reset for me. Okay, well, maybe, just maybe, I need to redo this so we can fit it within the screen, because it is definitely not going to work unless it's in the screen. You won't see that. Anyway, so let's quickly go back, and I see perimeter is equal to, and then let me do this, width, and then let's do this. Okay, so perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. Said the perimeter was 15. So 15 is equal to actually x plus 3 plus x plus 3 plus x plus x. That's going to give me 15 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x and 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. That's going to give me 9 is equal to 4x. So now I need to what? Divide by 4. That's going to give me 1x. So x will equal to, and let's see, do we need to do some work here? And I think we will get 4 and 1/4. So let's make that actually let's there we go. I got it. Yay! So we can make that, I want to make that a little bit further down there so we don't. So we can say that, and we're divided by 4. So we can say x is equal to 2.25. Well, we could have put 2.5, so that's not an issue there. Let's not get caught up on that. So we could have put 2.25. But we want to check it to make sure that what we're saying is correct. So we will change colors and we will check them here. And I wanted to change colors, so my new little toy is not cooperating with me today. There we go. Alright, so now we will check it, and we can check by just using what we said, 2L plus. So let's check by saying 15 is equal to 2 times 2.25, that's our x, plus 3, and that's plus 2 times 2.25. Now again, we were able to get this by simply saying that 2 times L plus 2 times W. We could have literally combined that. If we go back up here and look at what I have here, where we have the 2 times x plus 3 plus a 2x, that's what I'm using to check down here. And here I'm going to wind up with 2 times 2.5, that's 2.25. It's going to give me 4, that's 4.25. So 15 is equal to, what do we have here? So let me go and make sure you see what I'm doing. I am taking 2 and I'm adding 2.25 to 3, and that's going to give me 5.25. So all the way here, now I'm going to take 2 and multiply that 5.25. I'm combining these two here, and here plus 2 times 2.25, and I will get 15 is equal to 2 times 5 is 10, 10.5 plus 4.5, and we see that 15 indeed equals 15. So we have an identity, which means that our answer is correct. Wow, I had to really go through some stuff with that one. Hopefully we won't have these type of technology issues as we go along. Number 8, John bought 3 CDs at X dollars each and a pen for $2.99. If John spent a total of $23.99, what was the price of one CD? Okay, So first things first, create the formula. So we have 3 CDs, and the CDs are at, and we don't know, so we can say X dollars. I'm gonna make that a little bit more proper. I don't know why I'm having this perfection. So X dollars each plus price of the pen. Okay, and all of that is going to equal to how much I paid. We're not thinking about tax or anything here because that's not relevant. They didn't give it to us, so we're not going to dig into it. So 3 CDs at X each, so that'll be 3X plus the pen was $2.99, $2.99, $2.99 is equal to, and I paid $23.99. Of course, now since this is adding, let's subtract $2.99 from both sides. That's going to give me, that's going to come to 0. Remember, we just bring down our 3X is equal to $21. Now we're going to divide by 3. That means this will become X, because 3 divided into 3 one time, remember that, and X is equal to 7. So that's telling me that my 3 CDs was $7 each. And go ahead and change colors to check it. Hope this is able for you to see. I don't know why I'm using this, but anyway, so we'll check it by saying 3X plus $2.99 is equal to $23.99. So that's 3 times 7 in place of X plus $2.99 is equal to $23.99. 3 times 7 is 21 plus $2.99 is equal to $23.99. And when we add this, we will get $23.99 indeed equals to $23.99. So again, we have an identity. I think we're doing great. Well, problem number 9. And I am so contemplating you working this for me. I am so contemplating you working this for me. But since this is the first of the instructions, I will go right ahead and do it, and then I'll give you homework for the week. So Cynthia bought 3 blouses at $8 each. The sales tax was $8.40. Knew we wasn't going to go far without sales tax. $8.40 each. If Cynthia, no, sales tax was just $8.40. If she paid a total of $113.40, what was the price of each blouse? So again, 3 blouses, and the 3 blouses at X dollars. Each, and that's plus sales tax, and equals total cost. Okay, I am rushing right now. So here we will have 3X is my formula plus $8.40. That's my sales tax. Is going to equal to $113.40. I'm going to subtract $8.40 from both sides. That's going to give me 3X is equal to 105 even. I'm going to divide by 3, and X is going to equal to $35. Okay, so all we have to do now is left is check. And trust me, when I check, I have 113.40 is equal to